Can I withdraw funds from my Steam wallet directly to my bank account?
Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be tackling a common question that many Steam users have. Can you withdraw funds from your Steam wallet directly to your bank account? Well, stick around because we have all the answers for you.
Steam Wallet Basics.
Before we dive into the details, let's quickly go over the basics of the Steam Wallet. The Steam Wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store funds and make purchases on the Steam platform. It's a convenient way to buy games, downloadable content, and other items available in the Steam store. But what about getting your money back out of the wallet? Let's find out.
Withdrawing funds from the Steam wallet.
Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, Steam does not offer a direct option to withdraw funds from your Steam wallet to your bank account. The funds in your Steam wallet are primarily meant to be used for purchases within the Steam ecosystem.
Available alternatives.
Although direct withdrawal to your bank account is not possible, Steam does provide some alternative options for utilizing the funds in your Steam wallet. Let's take a look at a few of them. Option 1. Steam Store purchases. The most straightforward way to utilize your Steam wallet funds is by making purchases directly from the Steam Store. You can buy games, downloadable content, in-game items, and more using the funds in your Steam wallet. Option 2. Steam Community Market. Another option is to use the Steam Community Market. The Community Market allows users to buy and sell in-game items with other players. You can use your Steam wallet funds to purchase items from the market or sell items you no longer need to earn Steam wallet credits. Option 3. Steam Trading. Steam Trading is a feature that enables users to trade in-game items, including trading cards, cosmetics, and more. While you can't directly convert your Steam wallet funds into real money through trading, you can trade items with other users and potentially acquire valuable items that you can sell on the Steam Community Market for Steam wallet credits.
Requesting a Steam wallet refund.
In certain cases, such as accidental purchases or issues with a game, you may be eligible for a refund of your Steam wallet funds. However, the refund will generally be processed back into your Steam wallet as store credit, not directly to your bank account. It's important to familiarize yourself with Steam's refund policy and follow the necessary steps to request a refund if you believe you qualify. To wrap things up, it's currently not possible to withdraw funds directly from your Steam wallet to your bank account. The Steam wallet is primarily designed to be used for purchasing games, downloadable content, and items within the Steam ecosystem. However, you can still make the most out of your Steam wallet funds by purchasing games from the Steam Store, utilizing the Steam Community Market, or participating in Steam Trading. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has clarified the options available to you regarding Steam wallet funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming-related content. Happy gaming, everyone!